Come see me, Piper. Come on. That's okay. That's just Archie. Spirit, you don't give a shit, do you? They're all crazy. It says, bringing all these mental cases into my house. There, sit. That's a good boy. I like it when he sits. Can you sit too? Sit. Sit. Oh, he's being nice to you, Piper. He's giving kisses. He's giving kisses. He's giving kisses. Here, Piper. Come here. Come here. Come on, bugs. Come on, dogs. Come on. Come on. Don't worry about it. You sit? Who can sit? Who can sit? All right, sit. Good boy. You sit? Down. High five. High five. Oh, good girl. High five. What? You don't like him doing it? No, he's good. Spirit, you're the best.